Hey guys, Sarah here with this week's Insider. Did you know JDS offers 34 pre-made fixtures to go along with our Rackstar system? Not only do we have them for our drinkware, we also have them for many flat items, pre-made for things such as keychains, bottle openers, patches, and so much more. You also have the ability to have custom ones created for any odd shape item or large quantity orders for easy swapping. Simply download the RSF template to match your fixture and snap your fixture in place on your grid or place in the top left corner of your bed if not using the frame. These fixtures make for easy and quick placement to help improve your overall swap time and quicken your production. And now you know.